deserve the world I draped around your collarbones. A pearl and necklace made of all the songs I write about you over time and over years and overcast and sunny days. We make it last, we meet it at a most. Emotion flows like ocean waters, rising tides. The eyes of summer line up like a day that never ends. It stretches into bands of rubber bouncing off each other. Mother, father, whether we will be, that doesn't matter. Long as I got you, I'll throw away the planner. Looking out for future dates, I will not gather baskets full of flowers, cause I got my flower here. And if I do not water what I got in front of me, it's all for nada.